Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate WeChat. Firstly, search for WeChat on the Apple Store or Google Play Store, then download and install the application. Tap Sign Up on the home screen and you will see the following options: sign up with mobile or sign up with Facebook. Fill in your details like full name, region, mobile number, password. Then check the box for I have read the accept the terms of service, then tap accept and continue. Read through WeChat's privacy protection summary and check the box. Then tap authenticate to verify you are a real user. Drag the puzzle piece into the correct position quickly to pass the check. You will receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter the code, then tap submit. Now enter your email address, then check your inbox for a verification email from WeChat. Click OK in the email and return to the WeChat app, then tap I have completed verification. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.